Hi guys, it's Patty. Welcome back. And today I'm here with something really special, which is the unboxing and giveaway of this adorable subscription box from Simply Gilded. And this is the January box. And if you do not know Simply Gilded yet, you need to head on over to Etsy because it's an amazing shop owned by Irene, who is the sweetest person you'll ever meet. And she designs the most gorgeous washi and accessories. So make sure to check her out on Etsy. Now, Irene also started the subscription box back in January, so this is the second box, and it's not just about washi. You'll see, because you'll see what's inside, but the subscription is $25 a month, and there's actually a wait list. So if after seeing this you want to sign up, make sure to sign up on simplygilded.com. There is a wait list, and you just enter your email, and then you'll get like some sort of notification when spots become available. But again, I ended up having two boxes for January, and Irene wanted me to share it with you guys. So thank you so much, Irene, because this will be for one of my subscribers. So in order to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is really just subscribe, and then leave me a comment below and tell me which one is your favorite washi from Irene, and if you don't own one, which one you would like to buy. But again, this is the one that one of you guys will get, and then this is the one that I'm gonna unbox, which is my very own box. So let me show you. First of all, this is how your subscription comes, and it's in this beautiful mailer with this gorgeous pink. And I love it that when you get a subscription or something, it's already beautifully packaged. It makes it all so much better. So let's get the baby out, and here is the box. Now, as you see, it's the same one, but this adorable bunny is actually Irene's mascot, and her name is Juniper. And I mean, she has lashes, she has this gorgeous flower wreath on her head, and then there's the gold foiling around it. I mean, the details, I mean, like even the back, she thinks of everything. And I'm definitely not gonna throw this box away. This box is gonna be reused. I can either cut the bunny out or turn it into a dashboard, but this is not gonna go into recycling. So let's see what's inside, and I'll take everything out. As you can see, there's lots more, so this is just not about washi. Let me put this here. So here actually is a list of what you get. So you'll get foiled journaling cards, a set of 5 washi tapes, foiled pocket and insert, rose gold paperclip trio, large gold bunny seals, rose gold plated bow necklace, and luxe functional and deco stickers. And some of the elements will change, but some of them will remain, like the washi and the stickers. Some other ones are always going to be there. And I actually love it so much that you have a list, so you know what you're working with. And this is a beautiful card too. So now these are all the items: the washi, these are the bunny clips, this is the TN insert, this is the card, and this is the bunny washi seal. I mean, no washi seals, the bunny seals, and then this gorgeous stickers, and also the necklace. Forgot the necklace. Here we go. So I'm gonna unbox all these because they are all wrapped in plastic, and I don't want to put you through me trying to unwrap it on camera. So let me come right back, and I'm gonna just open it up for you guys. Here we go. I have taken everything out of their original packaging, and I'm going to show you exactly what's included. And the first thing that we're going to look at is this beautiful foiled journaling card. As you can see, it has rose gold foiling all around it. It has the cute, adorable bunny Juniper on it. Then it says lovely. And this is a very good, heavyweight cardstock. This, again, you can put it in your traveler notebook, but you can also display it. You can put it in a little frame. I have actually accumulated quite a bit of beautiful journaling cards, and I like to display them on my desk, and I found a really cute solution for it, so I'm going to share that with you guys in the coming weeks. Now, next up are the 5 washi tapes. And as you can see, there's a regular size and there's also skinny size. So 2 are just the standard and 3 are the skinny, but they all have rose gold foiling. Now the first one up is my favorite, and it's this it has a little juniper bunny in rose gold foiling, and it's this beautiful shade of pink. I hope the camera can pick it up. And again, can you tell, like, I mean, Irene, looks, she just does not miss a single detail. Even the inside of the tape, it's, with our own branding. And on top of that, I mean, I had to open them up, but they all come beautifully wrapped like this. So the details, she thinks of everything. So this one is the first one. We're gonna put it back. Next up, it's kind of this mauve color with the beautiful branches and little hearts alternating. And again, this is rose gold foiling. And then we have this one in this beautiful shades of pink. And then the sentiments are live your truth, keep the faith, believe in magic, follow your heart, absolutely darling. And then another floral. This is like kind of a darker background, but then he has these dark pink roses with these adorable little tiny hearts in rose gold foiling. And then the one that I think I'm going to use the most because I have a thing for scalloped edges, and also because I like to use this in my earring conjuring layouts. Under your layout, in the bottom washi, this is very useful. This is so pretty. You can, line it up and put it over another washi, and this just a little scallop peeks over. And that is it for the washi tapes. And now we're moving on to the foiled pocket tee and insert. So this is for your pocket size traveler notebook, and it's a beautiful insert. I love the pink. I love the gold foiling again. Got a little juniper there. The paper is a very nice weight, and I love the dotted lines because that's usually what I buy. And then the back it says somebody loves you, which is adorable. And I love that it's stitched because those are my favorite inserts. And if you do not own either a traveler notebook, or if you don't have this size of traveler notebook, just use it for your note taking or just making lists. You can slip it inside your purse, and it's small, it doesn't hold that much room. Next up, we have the rose gold paper clips, and these are just gorgeous. I mean, I don't even know if I've ever seen rose gold paper clips like this, but we have a little bunny, we have 2 bows, and I use this to decorate my traveler notebook and, keep my space in the, my spot on, in my page. So these are just adorable. I love them. Next up, and how cute are these? These are large gold bunny seals. I mean, this is if you're gonna send a happy mail to somebody really special, because for me to part with these, they're gonna have to be mighty special. I mean, there's all these different styles. They're all like adorable. I mean, how cute. Again, happy mail, or just keep them, can even laminate them and then cut around them, turn them into little paper clips. You can do so much with them. And again, little juniper is absolutely adorable. And then we have the necklace. I mean, how does she even think about this? This is just stunning. Sorry, I had it upside down, but here she is. Look how adorable this cute little bow is, and it's rose gold. Even the detail, it's got a toggle closure with a little heart. It says Simply Gilded. I mean, established 2015. This is gorgeous. I have been waiting to unbox this, subscription box for you, so now I can finally start wearing it. And actually, she will be selling these in the regular gold, yellow gold, and then in a platinum, like silver color in her shop. So if you want one of these, stay tuned and check her store. And by the way, the necklace came in this beautiful velvety pouch. I mean, this, if you don't like it, gift it to a friend if you don't wear necklaces, or it just makes, it's already beautifully wrapped for you. So you just have to put it in a little gift bag and you're done. And then the last piece is Deluxe Functional and Deco stickers. And they come inside, there's this heavy-duty backing, which you can reuse for something else. But how stunning are these stickers? There's rose gold foiling all over. We have 3 full boxes, and this will fit your Erin Condren planner. Then we have some little flags here. which beautiful. Then we have some headers like today, important, remember, to do, to buy, to pay, and then more cute little bunnies with the little wreaths on her head, and just little flower bottles, some succulents there. I mean, adorable. And these are really, this is not your regular sticker paper. This is heavy duty. I mean, these are gorgeous. They're beautifully made. So this, again, it's just another thing that she includes, and everything, as you can tell, it's beautifully coordinated. So if you are interested, again, just check simplygilded.com, sign up for the newsletter so you can get on the wait list. And I think I mentioned it's $25 plus shipping. Again, or just check Simply Gilded on Etsy if you want to get some of her washi tapes or of other accessories. And don't forget to enter the giveaway by subscribing and leaving me a comment below. And I hope you guys liked it. And I will be back here on Friday, not on Friday actually, sorry. I will be back here on Tuesday with probably a small tutorial, but on next Friday, I will announce in my next video on Friday the winner. So stay tuned for that. And I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. Okay, bye guys, and thank you for watching.